I have a game for you. It's called Ready, Set, Miracle, and it's specifically to help with inner child healing. While moving through everyday moments, create space to connect with yourself. From the grounded space of your observational self, link into the world of your experiential self or your inner experiencer. Specifically, you can connect your adult self with your inner child. Playfully express inside, like in your mind or out loud through words. Ready, set, be a miracle. Allow for a moment of pause and then celebrate the fact that you achieved what you said. So ready, set, be a miracle. Oh my God, you did it. You're a miracle. Look at you. Ready, set, be a miracle. Oh my God, you did it again. Look at you go. You're a miracle. Look at you. Ready, set, be a miracle. Oh my God, you did it. You did it, baby. You're a miracle. Look at you go. In every moment, there are millions of miracles happening. In every moment, our brain hemispheres are communicating. Our triune brain is communicating. Our heart is beating. Our lungs are breathing. Our muscles are engaging. Our eyes are absorbing light waves from the invisible atmosphere that surrounds us. Our ears are absorbing sound waves from the invisible atmosphere that surrounds us. Being able to speak is a miracle. There are billions and trillions and quadrillions of miracles happening in every single moment just to enable the human experience at all. So no matter what you're going through, you can always celebrate the fact that you're a miracle in every moment. And specifically, making this a game where you can play with your inner child can help relieve anxiety, stress, overwhelm, a million different things, and really bring you into conscious presence with what you're currently experiencing, which is the immediate moment and the immediate moment and the immediate moment. That's the only place you actually are. You're not in the past, you're not in the future, you're right here, you're right now, and that's a miracle. And when you can prioritize that conscious focus, you have a lot more power to move through whatever's going on in your life. So, play the Ready, Set, Miracle game with me, okay? Ready, set, be a miracle. Oh my God, you did it! You win! Congratulations! Have a beautiful and blessed day, soul friends. Have fun being a miracle.